Hello everyone, today I'm going to be teaching you how to change your password on your Amazon account. Assuming that you are logged into your Amazon account according to my last video, go on the top right of Amazon and click on account. Once you've done that, you can see these tabs which says your order, login and security, Prime, gift card, your payment, all things Alexa, your devices and content. You want to click on login and security. Once you've done that, down here as you can see your password tab, you can click on edit. Once you click on edit, add your current password on the top box, and below that you can add your new password. Once you've done that, click on save changes. And congratulations, you have successfully modified your account and changed your password. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you never miss another upload like this.